Science can't explain me.
Negative Rh blood types.
Introduction.
Blood types became a subject of my deep fascination when I was pregnant with my son. I was sitting in the gynecologist's office when he came in stating that I needed a shot. I groaned in disapproval and asked why, though. He explained that because of my type O negative blood, my immune system would perceive my pregnancy as a virus and in response would attack and kill the fetus. I was shocked, and that moment became the catalyst that piqued my interest. And once I got home, I began my research.
The discovery.
According to the significance of being Rh negative or positive, back in 1968, when scientists Landsteiner and Wiener discovered the Rh protein, they were originally searching for the solution for the cause of a medical mystery that killed dozens of babies every day, called the Himalaya. You do it. Himalaic? No,
Hemolytic.
hemolytic
I think.
disease. Um, the revolution of the Rh protein led to the development of the FDA approval Rogram shot, which is still in use today. This shot has saved countless lives, including my son's, but why is it necessary? Why would my body reject my own offspring? Is there uh, simply because they had a different blood type? Do we see this in nature? How does this fit into the natural selection? These are all questions I ask myself.
The facts.
Rh negative blood types are rare. In fact, only 15% of humans have them. Rh negative blood can be utilized by humans in need of a transfusion. However, people with Rh negative blood cannot make use of any other blood type except their own, lest the results could be fatal. If a woman with Rh negative blood becomes pregnant with an Rh positive baby, her body will produce antigens, signaling her immune system that her fetus is a foreign toxin and will try to eliminate this perceived threat, unless given the Rogram shot to prevent this from occurring.
The top conspiracy theories concerning Rh native blood origin.
Since science can't fully explain the origins of this anomaly, we are left with only theories, like the ones found in Rh negative blood alien in origin? Explained that in the Book of Enoch, the Nephilim, also known as the Watchers, descended from the heavens and mated with the daughters of men, creating an angel-human hybrid. This group of angels and their offspring were wiped out during the biblical flood. Some say, though, though some were said to okay, um, though some were said to have survived, thus leaving the Rh negative bloodline. Another otherworldly theory is that the Anunnaki, an extraterrestrial race, arrived in ancient Mesopotamia and crossbred with humans, and that process is responsible for creating the Rh negative blood factor.
Clonability.
An expert in the biotechnology field stated, "It has been observed that without the Rh protein, the cloned blood cell loses its required flexibility, as well as the DNA strand. It is difficult to use after retrieving it. The root cause for this is related to the D antigen, its its genetic makeup. The receptors variations, in combination, all these factors make it difficult for modern technology to clone Rh negative blood cells. It has been estimated that 85% of all human beings have the Rh positive factor. This means that their red blood cells contain a substance called rhesus blood factor. This protein can be traced back to the rhesus monkey. At the same time, Rh negative humans do not share this common ancestor.
Is there any validity behind these theories?
I'd like to think so. There is so much that science is only just now being able to understand or perhaps rediscover. I think that the nature of our reality is stranger than fiction, and the so-called paranormal phenomenon is finally becoming mainstream, and people are looking for explanations outside of the scope of normal scientific understanding. Examples are popular in shows like Ancient Aliens and the mainstream media and news articles.
Countless TV shows and books have covered this topic.
Visual aid before us?
People with Rh blood types, native blood types. You see,
hmm
Toy Story.
President Bush, Marilyn Monroe, like countless people with this blood type. It's interesting.
Countless books on the topic.
A lot of people have researched and studied this, and their opinions are valid. So if you'd like to check it out.
And here's the video.
And here is an Ancient Aliens episode. How does it feel to have an alien for it explains a lot. Yeah. I didn't think the video was going to be this long. The link will be in there. So if you wish to research further, feel free. Thank you. And that's all for